Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is today's computer class and our topic is hardware and software. Dear students, we defined the hardware. I gave you the concept of the hardware in the first class and we defined input devices, output devices and storage devices all. So my dear students, as I already explained in my first class of this chapter that hardware are the physical parts of the computer that we cannot touch and feel, so that's called a hardware, okay? And hardware are the physical parts of the computer that make up the computer, which give the shape to the computer, okay? But my dear students, we have to start today from the software. So like hardware, software is also the essential part of the computer system, okay? Because both of them, means hardware and software, they together make up the computer system. We cannot, the computer system is not the full complete definition if we will say only about the hardware or software. Dear students, in the absence of any one among these, we cannot say that it's a computer system because computer system is made up of both of these parts, hardware as well as software. Means कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हम उसी को बोलते हैं जिसमें हार्डवेयर भी आता है एंड सॉफ्टवेयर भी आता है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सॉफ्टवेयर इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर विच कैन नॉट बी touched, okay? And to make the hardware work we need to have software in the system also, okay? So my dear students, let me go first to the fact files. Alan Turing, he is known for his contribution towards the modern computers. Actually he is known as the father of modern computers. So my dear students, you can give the answer of this question yourself. Which part of our body act as an input unit? Can you say it? It's very easy. Those parts of our body by which we enter anything in our body are the input parts, okay? So you can say it yourselves. After that is Lady Ada Lovelace. She is regarded as the first computer programmer, as she made the first computer program, first software. Okay, so that's why she is the first computer programmer. So my dear students, do you know what is this Intel? This is a processor matlab it's a company who is making the processors, okay? So Intel is the world's largest processor making company. मतलब ये वो कंपनी है इंटेल जो कि दुनिया के सबसे बड़े प्रोसेसर जो है उनको तैयार करते हैं, ठीक है? सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, we were talking about software. Let us understand software with the help of the examples. Students, all of you must have seen and used a music system, isn't it? And the parts like speakers, CD and DVD which you can touch, those are all hardware. But can you touch the songs or music which is recorded on the CD or a DVD? No, because that is software. The next example I'll give you. If you are writing a letter to your friend, simply you have typed that, okay, in the computer. So still your letter is inside the computer. You can see that, but can you touch that letter? No. So that is software. So my dear students, you are playing games on your phone. So the game inside your phone, can you touch that? No, because that's also a software, okay? But mobile phone is hardware, you can touch that. But the games inside the mobile phone are software. So we cannot touch that. So a CD is a hardware, but the songs or the movies stored in the CD are software, okay? Likewise, TV is the hardware and the programs which we watch inside the computer, which inside the television, means on the screen, those are all software. So this was the example to understand you to what is the difference between the hardware and the software. So dear students, let us go back to the working of the computer. Which of the following steps is done by software? Just see, input, working of a computer and output. The processing is done by software. All the processing means if we will give input, इनपुट हमने दिया, ओके, उसको सॉल्व करेगा प्रोसेसर। तो जो प्रोसेसिंग होती है दैट इज डन बाय द सॉफ्टवेयर। आफ्टर दैट input मतलब that software takes our output to the monitor, okay. Processing is done by software. It takes the input from the user and processes it and displays the output on the monitor. So we can define software as a set of instructions. Please keep this definition in your mind. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work. कोई भी काम करने के लिए जो सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम कंप्यूटर को देते हैं उसको हम सॉफ्टवेयर बोल सकते हैं, ओके। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू नो व्हाट इज हार्डवेयर एंड व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स। हाउ मेनी? Two types of softwares are there. One is system software and the one is application software. Let me give you the concept of both first. Dear students, system software, we can say system software is that software which is the purpose of the system, without which the system cannot be operated. मतलब जो कंप्यूटर को खुद के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर इस्तेमाल होता है दैट इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, जिसके बगैर कंप्यूटर ना तो खुलेगा और ना ही उस पे हम कोई काम कर सकते हैं। बट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर वो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं जो यूजर अपने लिए यूज करता है और ये डिपेंड करता है कि हम कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर इस्तेमाल करना चाहे हम वो करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल गिव द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट। You are loading any operating system on your computer, okay? Because without operating system, computer cannot be operated, computer cannot work. तो कंप्यूटर पे काम करने के लिए we should have the operating system first. तो operating system क्या है? That is the system software. क्योंकि system software है, that means कि उसके बगैर जो है कंप्यूटर काम नहीं करेगा। एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि यूजर अपने लिए एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स को यूज करता है। तो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर जो है ये बहुत सारे टाइप्स के होते हैं। लाइक इफ यू विल इंस्टॉल एनी गेम, दैट्स एन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, बिकॉज आप वो अपने फायदे के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इफ यू यूज द पेंट प्रोग्राम टू ड्रा, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, क्योंकि वो तो कंप्यूटर को चलाने के लिए जरूरी नहीं है। जो हम अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए यूज करते हैं दोज आर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, ओके। क्या? क्योंकि उनका मतलब वो चाहे कंप्यूटर पे लोड हो ना हो, उसके बगैर भी कंप्यूटर काम कर सकता है। सो दैट इज फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स, मीन्स हम अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए उनका यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। सो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर अब आपको समझ में आया, जो हमें पर्टिकुलर कोई भी काम करने में मदद करते हैं, मीन्स जो हम अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज दैट सॉफ्टवेयर विच इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू डू वर्क ऑन द कंप्यूटर, या विच इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो। क्योंकि कंप्यूटर पे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लोड हो तब जाके कंप्यूटर जो है किसी काम का है, अदरवाइज कंप्यूटर इज ऑफ नो यूज, ओके। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे। टुमारो we will elaborate the system software and application software. Allah Hafiz.